Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Delta for Roblox on Windows. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to visit the official Delta Executor website. Type Delta Executor on Google search engine, hit enter. You will be able to navigate to the Delta official website. Select Android, scroll down, click on download. Scroll down again. Here you'll be able to see download again. Click on download button. Now, as you can see, an APK file will start to download on your PC. Now, what you have to do is open a new tab and go to the official website of LD Player. Hit enter. Navigate to the official website of LD Player and simply click on Download LD Player. Now, a second file will start to download. Once you have downloaded both files, first of all, you have to install LD Player, which is an Android emulator. Once you have installed LD Player, it will look like that. Now what you have to do is navigate to the folder where you have the APK file of Delta Executor. Drag and drop the file into the emulator of LD Player. As you can see, now Roblox has been installed via Delta Executor. So that's simply how you can download and install Delta for Roblox on Windows. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.